Splashing out. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, splashing out. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to splash out. Splashing out is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to spend money freely or extravagantly, often more than usual. This phrase is often used when someone is buying something luxurious or expensive that is not a part of their regular expenditures. For example, if someone buys an expensive watch or goes on a luxurious holiday, they are splashing out. The term splashing out has a vivid imagery behind it. Imagine water splashing. It spreads out freely and uncontrollably. Similarly, when someone is splashing out money, they are spending it freely and without much restraint. This phrase captures the essence of indulgence and extravagance. Let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. After receiving her bonus, she decided to splash out on a designer dress. 2. They splashed out on a fancy dinner to celebrate their anniversary. 3. John is really splashing out for his wedding, booking the most expensive venue. Notice how the phrase adds a sense of extravagance to the sentence. When using splashing out, remember, it's used for extravagant spending, not regular purchases. Don't confuse it with simply spending money. It always has a connotation of luxury or excess. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning. Some synonyms include spending lavishly, going all out, treating oneself. Each of these carries a similar sense of spending generously or extravagantly. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, splashing out. I hope this video has made it clear and that you can now use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of its phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.